Finding good and profitable traders on prediction markets like Polymarket to copy trade can be a super lucrative and fairly passive way of making money for yourself. So today we're putting 4 of the most popular and best copy trading bots on Polymarket to the test to basically see which one is the best one out there. Because when it comes to copy trading, you do want to make sure to use the fastest bot possible so that you get in before any other copy traders. So in today's video, we have Polycop, we have Polycule, Okbet, as well as TradeFox. Those are the 4 bots we are comparing today. I have already set them all up to copy my own wallet here on Polymarket so that I can just make trades and then we can see which bots actually execute the fastest. I'm not going to go into detail into exactly how to set up all of these 4 bots. What I'll do is we'll do the live speed test right now, and then I'll show you towards the end of the video how to set up whichever bot actually won and is the fastest one out there. So we're right now on Polymarket, and if we look through some of these new ones with just a little bit of volume, for example, Who Will Die in Stranger Things Season 5, this one doesn't have too much activity, which makes it easy to see exactly what bot basically executes the quickest. So let's place a yes bet on Jim Hopper. I have funded all of the accounts with at least $20. So let's buy $6 worth of a yes right here. Let's just execute this transaction, confirm. There we go. If we head down to activity, you can see this is the original transaction. And there we go. So 0x61, that is Polycap, as you can see right here. Then we have 0x36, that will be Polycule, closely followed by 0xb, which is TradeFox. So Polycop did indeed win. It beat both TradeFox and Polycule by around 2 seconds. Okbet is nowhere to be found, basically. It hasn't executed the transaction yet. I did run a few test transactions before recording this video just to make sure everything was set up correctly, and I can spoil to you guys that Okbet is by far the worst one on this list. It basically executes between 1 and 3 minutes after all the other bots, but I feel like I had to include it because it is a pretty popular Polymarket trading bot. But unfortunately, when it comes to copy trading, it's just nowhere close to these other ones. As you can see, it's been over a minute now, and Okbet has still not executed its transaction. So for this video to not be extremely long, let's not wait around for Okbet, because I already know from test transactions that it is by far the slowest one. But now let's head over to sell, and we can sell the shares that we just bought. Let's click on sell. Let's confirm the transaction. There we go. The transaction has been made. This is the original. Let's see which bot executes it the fastest. Again, it's 0x61, which is Polycop, then 0xb, which is TradeFox, and then Polycule on number 3. Again, Polycop did beat both the other bots by a few seconds. It seems like Polycule and TradeFox kind of swap between being number 2 and number 3. Now, if we head back into new and look for something else to trade, let's for example do which NBA players will be traded this season. Let's buy yes on Anthony Davis. I know nothing about basketball, just saying. This is just for an example. Let's buy $7 worth of yes for Anthony Davis right here. Let's confirm the transaction. There we go. Let's scroll down to activity. There is the transaction. 0x61 Polycop yet again, followed by 0xb, which is TradeFox, and then a few seconds later was Polycule. So yet again, Polycop, then TradeFox, and then Polycule. They're all fairly quick, but like I said, you do want to use the fastest bot possible, because if you're copying super popular traders, chances are they have tens if not hundreds of other people also copying them. So if you can get in before all the other copy traders, it means that you will get a much better entry and much better exit and basically make a lot more money. Now, like I mentioned, I did also run some test transactions before recording this video to make sure everything was set up correctly, make sure all the bot works. And I can tell you that Polycop did also win every single transaction for those test trades, followed closely by Polycule and TradeFox. Okbet obviously is pretty horrible when it comes to copy trading, but Polycop was by far the best copy trading bot. It won every single transaction, so it takes the win for this challenge. And it does make sense because I do know the team behind Polycop. They have experience from running a pretty popular and really good copy trading bot for meme coins, so it makes sense that they will also make the best ones for Polymarket and prediction markets. So let me show you exactly how to set this up. Now, if you want to sign up to Polycop, make sure you use my link down below to get less fees on their bot, which will save you a lot of money over time. But when you get started, this is what it looks like. So you need to deposit some USDC or USDT on Polygon or USDCE on Polygon to this address. These are two different addresses. Once that is done, you obviously need to find a wallet to copy. They do have this Discover Smart Money button. If you open that, it brings you over to future.fun, which is a great website for analyzing different Polymarket traders. They have over 1,300 traders. You can click onto any of them. It gives you loads of stats, edge score, all-time PNL, max drawdown, return volume, daily performance. You have portfolio balance, daily performance right here, cumulative growth. But you can obviously also find traders directly from Polymarket. If you head to activity, you can hover over any of these wallets and it will show you their PNL. You can click onto it and see all of their trades, etc. But let's say you find a wallet to copy, just copy that address, head back to Polycop, click on copy trade. It will bring you over to this page. This is the bot I just set up for the test. So this is my own wallet, but click on add new wallet. It will then bring you here, click on target wallet and paste the wallet you want to copy. You can then put a name on this wallet. In this case, let's just say video test. You have copy percentage. So let's say the wallet you're copying normally trades for like $1,000 at a time. You might not want to copy for that much. So let's say the wallet is trading for $1,000 each time, but you just want to enter for, let's say, $50. You can put 5% right here. You then have limit order copy, limit price offset, limit order duration. You don't really need to worry about that, but you have the option to if you want to. You have max token spend and total token spend, but I'm just going to leave that open. Just click on create and you are now good to go, and you're now copying this wallet. And if you click onto it, you will have the option to either delete it or pause it by just clicking on this active button. You can see that it's now paused. So it's fairly straightforward and simple to set it up. Now, obviously, like you saw, both TradeFox and Polycule were also both pretty quick when it came to copy trading. But if your goal is to only copy trade and have the fastest transactions possible, Polycop is by far the best one. But if you prefer, for example, a web app for overall trading, plus having the option to copy trade, TradeFox is really good. Polycule does also have some good features that Polycop do not have, so I will leave the link to all of these platforms down below, except for Okbet because they were just so bad. But you can get less fees on Polycop, on TradeFox and Polycule by using any of my links down below. If you have any questions at all, do let me know down below in the comment section. You can also join my Telegram down below and ask me in there. If there are any other prediction market bots you want me to check out and test, or any other prediction market content you want to see on this channel, do let me know. Make sure to like and subscribe. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.